Hello guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about why you should create an online course in 2022. Okay, hello everyone. If you are looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Welcome back to the channel, and as you know, we focus on retiring early and coming up with business ideas or businesses that we can start to implement in our daily lives to create additional income before retirement. As you know, when you prepare for retirement, the last thing, well, at least for me, the last thing that I want to do is actually stop working. I want to continue to work, but I want to work on things that are going to be enjoyable to myself. And I want to set my retirement lifestyle up to where it's conducive to how I want to live during retirement. Like, I don't want to be chained to a desk all the time. I don't want to be always in the building all the time, So before you think about any type of business that you would like to do, think about how do you want to live during retirement, and that should help you determine which business model is best for you. Okay, so let's just jump into it and let's get started. Um, the great thing about creating a digital product is not having to worry about inventory or storage for your physical products, as well as the logistics behind it and shipping out that product. Not to mention that you also have to make room not only for the product, but you have to make room for the shipping material, the packaging, and things of that nature. Having a digital product line or creating digital products is one of the most convenient business models that you can ever decide to jump into. It's like once you create the product, it's there forever. There's no maintenance to keep it up, unless you're doing something that's not evergreen, or something that might need to be kind of updated yearly, which is really simple and really fine. But basically, that's the gist of how digital products work. Okay, so today, like I said, we're going to talk about why you should create an online course in 2022. So before creating an online course, you want to ask your audience what they want to know. Now, if you don't have an audience, you can research other courses on course platforms. You can read the comments or the testimonies to see what problems these courses were solving for them, and that will help you to determine what kind of online course you need to gear your course to. Now, keep in mind that when you create this course, you want to you want to make sure that you're creating a course according to something that you are already familiar with, or that you're good at and that you know how to do. Okay? Once you decided or see what problems are that the course is solving, then you want to start building your course out. Okay? You want to include, determine how many videos you should look to upload. You want to decide what downloads you're going to offer with your course. Like, are you going to offer cheat sheets, templates, or planners, or guides to keep your students on track? Okay? The next thing you wanted to do is decide how you're going to record your course. Are you going to use a camera or a screen recorder, or you can even do both? It really doesn't matter. Then once you've decided all that and you've written out your course, it's time for you to upload it and get it ready to upload to your platform. And I'm going to show you two platforms I have right here that you can actually look into. The first one we're going to talk about is Thinkific. Okay, for Thinkific, you can start it for free. Okay, there is it's an easy course building system. you can, okay, right here it says you can do quizzes, videos, you can even hand out assignments. There are certifications that you can offer after your students complete the course. Okay, and there's also live coaching that you can offer within your course, which can also be another um, uh, another stream of income, basically. Okay, now Thinkific, you can start for free for $0, or you can do the pro for $99 a month. Now with the free course, you get limited courses and with unlimited students. One site admin, so that means if you have a team, you can either you're going to be the one in charge of this course, or you can assign that one person to it. And when you're getting started, that's really all you need. Once you're getting started, I don't think you need to go and spend the $99 to begin with. Start small. It's easy, drag and drop course builder. They have a full e-commerce section, easy to use website template, email, as well as phone support. Okay. I think that is great for the basics of getting started, with the course. And once you get more advanced and understand what you're doing and have other courses, or you want to add on, like making a tier 2, tier 3 course, you can start with the bigger plan, and that gives you unlimited courses and students and content. You can have 2 site administrators. Okay. You can have private and hidden course. You can offer subscription services, of course, certificates. You can have live lessons where you can actually go live and teach a class. And there's also Academy Pro courses. Okay, so that is one of them that you can do. And let's go to the next one, which I think is Teachable. Let me see if I can. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with my spelling? Okay, here we go. Okay, so the next platform I would consider for you guys is Teachable. Teachable has been out for a long time. I've actually taken a few courses off of Teachable. Teachable is really great for those who have creative skills that you want to teach, like sewing and painting, drawing and things like that. It still has other courses where, you can still do things like finance, and other things of that nature, so that's fine as well. You can also start for free with Teachable, as well as go into a paid course. Let me go back up to the top, go back up to the pricing, see if I can find out. Yes, here's a free version, and actually you have different prices. Here's a basic version if you feel like you need more than what the free version offers. So there is a place for you to build your course, and a platform that you can use if you don't have your own website. I think this is a great place to start. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today. We'll be back with another course. I'm sorry, not course, but another great digital product that you should start in this year of 2022. Thank you guys. Have a good day.